Hi, this is Sherman Crancer, Senior Partner Development Manager for Microsoft. And in studio, we've got a great partner and friend of Microsoft, Wade Walker from Big Green IT. So Wade, thanks for coming in first and foremost. Really appreciate it. You've attended the Security Swarm BootCamp, and we'd really just like to get your thoughts on this type of BootCamp and what you thought of the format.
Well, thanks Sherman for having me in here. Thanks Microsoft as well. This is actually my preferred format for training for boot camps. It's very interactive. It's focused on getting the most information to the partners and then allowing us partners to leverage this information to deliver the optimal solution for our customers.
Wow, thank you very much. So, the next question, and we just like these candid perspectives, is we have changed up from typically a very PowerPoint heavy type of engagement to more of a very hands-on type of engagement. What are your thoughts on how that's been effective for learning?
I think it's very effective for learning, and I've noticed this also with the CIE program, much more of a facilitator status, hands-on, immerse the audience into what's happening and get custom engagement from the audience, stories from the audience, stories from the presenters, and it really helps put a light bulb on above my head at least on how we can leverage this to do a better job with the solutions and for the services we're delivering to our customers.
Fantastic. And lastly, we rolled out today, the third day or the second day, third day if you came from Windows, but the third day, we rolled out today this go-to-market catalog offer, as well as the ladder method where as soon as that's filled out, then we turn on these marketing services to help you get to market. What do you think with that? What do you think of that rollout at the end of a training like this?
Sherman, thank you. It helps us get these products to market quicker. We've rolled out some products in the past and we get some speed bumps, sometimes some roadblocks, but getting these go-to-market offers from you really going to help us streamline our delivery of these solutions and get them out to market quicker.
Wow. Hey, Wade, thanks so much for coming in. We really do appreciate it and look forward to seeing you back in here soon. Have a good day.
My pleasure, Sherman. Thank you.